Welcome back, my hissy family, and today we're eating some sushi mukbang. Oh, mukbang, mukbang, mukbang. So today we're eating sushi. First of all, I'll tell all the sushis. Caterpillar roll, California, Golden California, and home roll. I wanted a different roll, but I by accident mixed up the names, so I got the wrong one. I'm gonna try it on video. I never tried this, so yeah. Let's just get started with the one that I never tried. I don't know what's inside here. I'll tell you what's inside each one, but this one I really don't know. I see avocado, cucumber, raw salmon, avocado, this cheese. I really don't know. Fake crab. So let's eat it. That was big. It's good though. I thought I wouldn't like it. I'll tell you what I wanted. It was a California. I'm not sure the name of it. I think I messed up the names. But it's a California basically with smoked salmon on top. And they have some soy sauce from the place. And yeah. That's very good. And now let's go to normal California. Oh, and I forgot to show you it. Whoopsies. Here. Yeah, I don't think you can, I think you can see it. No, I'll put this one down. Now California. And these are all California except for this one that I messed up, but the one I wanted was California with salmon on top. This one's California. This is normal California with fake crab meat, of course, and avocado. I'll just say crab meat. And yeah. So I'm gonna put it in soy sauce. So good. I'm not sure what this is called, but exactly, but this is I think it's called Golden California roll. I know I said it in the beginning of the video, but I don't remember. It's basically California with fish eggs on top. Tiny fish eggs, orange ones. So let's eat it. That's good. Really good. And now Caterpillar. Caterpillar is California with avocado on top and some type of sauce. I don't know which sauce. So let me eat it. Really good. I love it. And this one is not my favorite, but not the worst. So let's eat this one with soy sauce. Oh my god, that's good. And we have a lot of sushi here. Like for me. Well, maybe not a lot for me, but usually for one person is a lot, especially a kid. So I'm gonna take another Golden California. That is the fish egg one, and put in soy sauce and eat it. So good. It's really good. I have to admit, it's really good. I'll put this over here. Ah, that's good. Yeah. So much eggs everywhere. They're so small they'll fall easily. That's so good. I love it. I'm gonna get another California. This time I'll have a California without soy sauce. I don't know why I love that crab meat so much. That's probably the reason why I love California so much. And any of them that is California with. Or any sushi that has it. Like the one that I by accident got. So yeah. Get caterpillar. Yeah, awesomeness. Deliciousness. I'm going to put another avocado one, and this time in soy sauce. The avocado one is a caterpillar. It is green and it looks like a caterpillar. So good. My God, that's good. Really good. Now I'm gonna get another, what do you call them? I do not remember the name. Golden California. I keep forgetting that name. I don't know why. So many eggs everywhere. Eggs everywhere. Oh my God, there's eggs everywhere. Now I'm gonna do the one that I didn't like too much. You know what? Maybe I don't like it too much. I'm not gonna use the wasabi or anything. Yeah. I do not like wasabi or ginger. No good. Now another California. Blue. I'm doing something really weird. I didn't eat anything since the morning, so I'm really hungry. So yeah. Oh my God. So good. Yummy. So good. Ah. That's so good. So good. Yeah, so good. So good. Oh my god. Wow, 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 wow. That's how I sound when I have like food in my mouth. That's weird. But so good. Oh, caterpillar. Mm. Mm. I'm doing something where I pour a bit of soy sauce in, and then I let it soak into the like the crabmeat, and then I eat it. Ah, so good. That's so good. Ugh. I'm starting to get full, so yeah. No, I'm not gonna end the video. I thought I was, but no, I'm not. So, oh. That was delicious. So good. I think I should end the video because I'm full. Yeah, I think I'll end the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Put a comment down below if you want to see more Snaky Life. Bye.